Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have another update with Jasmy. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will find the link in the description box. You won't regret it. Trust me, you are going to get easy profits. We are going to work from Telegram app. All I need is your username and we are ready to start. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Jasmy. So what we did have yesterday is that we talked about Jasmy dropping down and eventually the support level should be the 0.027 and the 0.026. Okay, so around there should be Jasmy. We had more support levels as well, the 0.0254, the 0.02467. Okay, so right there we talked about that Jasmy should be going down there, and especially around this area should be a great rebuying entry. Probably we will have a buying pressure, but now what we have to do is to be careful, because even if we have a buying pressure, we might be stopping at the previous lows of 5 April and 3rd April. Okay, so we should be extremely careful right now that we lost the support level, and I'm glad that we had an important update because it was very critical for you to know that we should be going further down. And yes, we did. We went further down, and maybe there is a chance to go even further down. At this moment, we do not have any bullish RSI divergence. We have an oversold with the commodity channel index, we have an oversold with the Fisher transform, but right now it is not enough for us to assume that we are going all the way higher. So what are we doing with this is that we are going to show what are you going to do and in which targets are you going to rebuy. None of these are financial advices, just my personal humble opinion. Okay, so right now, what do we have? We are having, first of all, I'm going to delete these two support levels because we already reached them. Okay, so we are having the 0.0254, all right, and we are having the 0.0246, a very important support level right here. If we are about to drop down there, I would suggest to buy a small amount because we might be having a buying pressure for Jasmy. However, right now things are not looking that great for now for you in order to rebuy. We do not have any bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame, but we have an oversold with the commodity channel index and an oversold with the stochastic RSI, but the price, I'm telling you, can go potentially even further down despite the oversold situation that we have. Next target's a 0.0254, 0.0246 for Jasmy, and we are looking towards these two targets because there we might be having a buying entry, or we might be having a buying entry if we can and surpass the 0.0786 Fibonacci retracement, which is the 0.0294. The 50-day EMA will be going down there and it will be the last resistance level right there for Jasmy. Okay, so be sure to check this price target out, because if we break and close above this target, then we might be going into the next one, which can be the 0.0315 and the 0.0322. Okay, so yes, we might be going there, and of course we might be have another pump towards these targets after we close above the 0.0294. Here I am, I got it. And of course, if we go down to the previous support levels that we talked about, we might be having a buying pressure. So yes, it is good for you to DCA. If you want for the midterm right now, for the next weeks or so, okay, I would advise you to wait. Okay, yes, you can do whatever you want, it's your money, it's your choice, of course, it's your research, and I might be wrong, I'm telling you that, but at the end of the day, I have planned myself going into trading for 4 years right now. I can advise you this: take this step by step, take trading step by step. Do not just plan ahead for many months. Of course, crypto market is here to stay and we will evolve, and many altcoins eventually will pump even more, but I would prefer to have my targets, to have an exit plan, to have a minimized risk, and this is what I suggest you to do. Have always a minimized risk, and of course do not panic and do not check the charts all the time. This is another this is another problematic thing that we are doing. We all traders have done. Okay, I have done it myself as well, because right there you check the charts all the time, you panic, you make bad decisions, and the one bad decision brings the other bad. This is what it means to FOMO, in or out. Okay. So eventually, if you bought at the top, this is where I'm going right now. This is where I want to go. If you have bought at the top, I think, because if you didn't put a stop loss and now you are in a very, very huge loss, okay, I would suggest to wait a little bit, pump, and then maybe you will see actually profits, even profits. Yeah, you might be seeing even profits if you are patient enough to wait. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Here is the link in the description box and in the comment section down the video. Thank you and see you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.